From Clovis, California, just finished repairing some pipe over in a wall here. This PEX was run through at an angle, and you could see the crease on one side, and then of course it fractured on that side and was spraying. And so this was over in that wall, coming down like that. And then the cold, the homeowner, and then also they tagged this one. You might be able to see inside. There's some rust building up right there. That's because they stapled it. The lath guy stapled it, so it was corroding. So a couple leaks on that pipe. Insulation still on the ground. Over here, homeowner just wanted to replace it all, bring it back down, and put some 90s on it and bring it back up. So these are just SharkBite Max fittings. Push to fit, works for copper, type B, type A. I don't think probably CPVC as well. But anyway, so this is the type A Uponor tubing. This is, I don't know what it's, type B. I don't know who makes it because I didn't see a name on it. Anyways, we just brought it back down, drilled 2 new holes, put 2 new straps on. So just 4 total of these SharkBite Max fittings. Things like 20 bucks each, but that's what you got to do. And then everything else is the expansion. That's the Uponor 90s with the expansion rings. And then I just stole these. These were up top where the pipe came through, up there. Right there. And so I just snagged them off there and put them here. That way when they go to put the drywall back on, they don't hit those. You can see right there. You know, when they're putting the lath, they put the foam and then the chicken wire, and then they nail it, they staple it to the stud, and they missed. It's probably about to center, about 2 1/4 inches off to the right, and they missed a little bit on this side, down here, right there, but didn't hit anything else. So this is all gone. We're gonna come back. We didn't have any material with us. We're gonna come back, get a block right above this electrical outlet, put a 2x4 block flat at the back of the wall, and then another one up here, probably right here, and get these 2 strapped up, because that's about a 30-inch space. It's just floating in the breeze up there, as you can see. So this would be banging against the outside wall, and the insulation is in front of it. So we're going to bring insulation. There's no insulation going up there or there, but we're going to insulate all this all the way over with new insulation. Get a total of 4 straps back in, and right now the water's turned back on. Got your sinks, got your toilets, take your showers, everything's good. We did pull this back. Homeowner wanted to make sure. This is the recessed wall box that is up about 38 above floor. Couldn't quite get up to it all the way, but from here, if you reach up, the box is about 5-6 inches up, and then you can't see in here because I didn't bring my flashlight, which you can see there's the I think the blue is on the bottom. Blue is the cold. Yeah, so cold over here on the left, on the outside that would be the right, and then the hot is the white pipe. And then you can, if you go out and look in the box, which is right above this cut line, that plastic tubing comes all the way through. It has a couple of trisolators. I think, are they trisolators? No, they're not trisolators. Not suspension clamps. Well, can't think of the word. But anyways, they've got plastic straps and they're siliconed into the box. No leaking over here. We're going to leave that insulation pulled back. That way you can monitor it. There's just 2 90s there. They're crimp 90s. Can't see that, and you can't see that, but it's that's the type B crimp on, and then it's a 90 there. No water there right now. I wanted to leave it though because this room's going to be out of service probably for the next, let me see, January, February, March, probably 3 months, probably, before because they haven't even demoed yet. They're just getting things dried up. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this service call is done.